Pot roast chicken cacciatore. First, preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Then, sprinkle garlic powder over the chicken and drizzle with oil. Next, heat oil in a flame-proof casserole pan or large oven-proof saucepan over a high heat. Add the onion, carrot, and a pinch of salt. Stir for 5 minutes, then add the garlic and cook for another minute. Stir the pasta sauce into the vegetable mixture. Pour over the stock and sprinkle with parsley. Place the chicken over the vegetable mixture. Cover and bake for 40 minutes. Increase the oven temperature to 200 degrees. Uncover the chicken and bake for another 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and golden on top. Add the olives to the vegetable mixture and sprinkle with more parsley. Then just slice up some bread and serve straight from the pan. How's that for a mouth-watering twist on roast chicken?